Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A13 and let me share with you how to change this navigation type with the buttons to the gestures. So first of all we have to enter the settings and now let's enter the display. Here we have to scroll down to find the navigation bar option, so let's enter. And as you can see, here we've got two different options, two different navigation types from which we can choose. So we've got currently we've got the buttons option applied, and if you will decide that you want to stick with this option, you can reorder the back button and recent, so you can simply customize it. But if you'd like to set the gestures, just tap on this option. And as you can see, actually immediately, instead of the buttons, we've got this line, which is responsible for two different actions. And I'll show you later on. What's more, we've got two different options connected to them. So we've got the gesture hint and show button to hide keyboard. What's more, we can tap on more options. And as you can see, we can change some details about this swipe gestures. So if you're not the biggest fan of only one line, you can set 3 different lines which will be responsible for the same actions as the buttons. So it's of course up to you if you want to change it. I will stick with this option with one line. What's more, we can change the gesture sensitivity from lower to higher, which means simply that the area which will be responsible for catching your touches will be bigger or smaller. It's up to you. I will stick with the default one. So now actually I can show you how to use this gestures. Of course here you've got the animation, but I will show you also and explain. So if you'd like to go back to the previous page, then you have to swipe your finger from the side of the device to the center, and it doesn't really matter if you will do it from the left side or the right side. As you can see, we've got this arrow, so since you can see it, you can just release the finger and you will get back to the previous page. If you'd like to go back to the home page, all you have to do is to simply swipe your finger up fastly, just like that, and as you can see we are in the home page. And if you'd like to enter the recents, you have to do the same motion, the same gesture, but simply hold your finger somewhere here, just like that. And as you can see, we've got the recents. So actually this is it. This is how to change the how to set actually the navigation gestures in your Samsung Galaxy A13. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.